Happy Valentine's. I hope you are excited as me because this year I decided to do something for myself. Initially, if you checked my previous video, you will notice that I ordered a bag from Qatar while do trading, packing. But then I stumbled upon this Facebook group called Glamour Dubai, and I wanted a constant, really, and they were selling it like 50%. But on top of that, I did see Birkin. It's a dupe, of course, and it looked okay, but I was like, ah. So I went to my friend, and she was like, "What? Just buy it. If you're getting 50% off, you're getting two bags. And if you don't really like it, you can always gift somebody." I was like, "Oh no, I'll just make it an everyday use office." I'm really happy that I decided to go with what she said and bought the two bags because first, I think it was my mistake because I didn't ask the Constance the size, as you will see. And two, the one which I didn't expect is turning out to be the one which is really excited. I hope you'll be excited for me. In fact, I'm so excited. I'm thinking, okay, maybe because I was remaining with two bags, they have one in their collection, but the other one is not in their collection. So maybe I can just go get that one from them and then get another so that now I end up with two bags and then the final one just get it from Wolf Trading. Now, I don't know about you, but I think with trading they do a very good job. So I'm not here to compare. But if you compare the two, for me, I feel that Glamour Dubai, their bags are much better. Maybe it's just me, maybe it's just the materials they're using, but this should be um your decision to make because I cannot tell you what to do. One is expensive because it comes with the accessories and everything, but for 150, I've had back from Dubai and before, and it was good, it was bad. But for this, mostly, honestly, if I compare it to the micro calls I have, it's really good. And I have gotten across a lot of bags, and people kept on thinking the original. I'm like, oh, I'll just go to Facebook and go to buy. Anyway, enough with my ranting. Let you see what I got myself. And this is the weird part. It didn't come with like the glamour. It was like that. Yes, that's how it came. So let me first start with the first dance. And why I want to start with the first dance is because of the second. The guy was really like, "Oh, I'm sorry." So what happened is that this thing delayed in custom, but on top of delaying in custom, as you can see, the box got damaged. Initially, when I ordered, I didn't expect for it to be like that small, but it's okay. It's cutie. I've come to like small bags. In fact, even in the office, I'm going with a smaller one next to my bird. So that's how it's coming. It's an outer paper bag. Okay. And so that you know that this bag is good despite it having stayed in custom like 7 days longer. It wasn't stinking. It was really good. Okay. The dupe. And okay, I know it's so cute. I don't know about you, but above me, I'm like, okay, we open it and that's how it eats in the inside. So yeah, it will fit a lot, 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 a lot. And yeah, I can even go with it to the office and everything. So however much I'm saying it's a tiny bird, it's however much I would like to state that honestly it's a real bird. And what I'm loving about this gift is that they are trying to make it as genuine as possible. Why? I don't know. But that's the logo. That's so weird. Yeah. The ones for move trading, they don't it doesn't have that. So Constance. Okay. Now that is a tiny one which I was hoping actually to get like a 25, but I ended up obviously getting about an 18. Giving this super bag, yes, not even a box. I think I was like, I'm really sorry. And I'm like, I don't worry for me. I just want to see what is inside. Well, this is the bag. I hope you'll be as excited as me. Okay, but wait to see. Just look at that beauty. Okay. I don't know. It's so beautiful. I'm like, you are supposed to give somebody. No, I honestly wish you had seen the picture. You obviously have been like disappointed like me, but here we are talking about, and see, it still has the stickers on. Okay, the flap, and check out that space. I know. Okay, to keep the shape. And there is the lock and key. Look at the lock. Oh my God, it's so good. Can you see everything? Yep. And there it is. Oh my God. Yeah. So, what did you get yourself for this Valentine's? I hope you went and got something good. If I do decide to get the ones which I was talking about, I will do another unboxing video, but that will be maybe in March. And if I decide not, it's okay. We still have a whole bugs that can fit in a whole box. Maybe one day I'll show you the entire collection because there's a time which I bought a lot of bags, but I never got to show. And there's some which I bought a long time ago, and they're just gathering dust somewhere inside my house. The reason I don't carry them is that those bags, despite being tubes, have really good material, which makes them kind of heavy. And honestly, nah, no. Anyway, enjoy your Valentine's, enjoy your week. I shall see you in the next one. If you want to comment about the dupes, if you want to get their contacts, let me know. I can always give them. But in Facebook, they're called Glamour Dubai, and they have everything from Chanel, from Dior, from Gucci, from Prada, everything they have. Just go check them out. They're located in Dubai. I'll see you later. Bye bye and